Winking. Yes. Scandals. Here this idea.
Yes.
And some of us growing up, I don't know whether that happens nowadays. Niwa kuna the best years of your life.
No, everyone has the best years of their life.
Depending on the velocity of the scandal you were protecting. Nyoge ikarie ginya miaka to miega. Ya wodo do ini. Yes.
Okirira soft.
Absolutely. Todo you used to run into a windfall. Okamenya reu haha ne wariga muko.
Ne wariga muko yo.
Ngoyo sie kiatia.
Si teke.
And it would happen coincidentally. Nothing planned. You see, we did not have the intelligence here to execute planned. Wasemana yana kiodo keu. Negative gatwika munyaka hariwe. Yes.
Okamenya bas.
I am now a tenderpreneur.
Tenderpreneur.
Yes. The radio horror situation yari in the very rare occasion. Odhiete mugudoro ogo hindo arekero akwa muda kahio kanini. Kana kairetu okanini.
Kanogethera mboko ciaku.
Yes. Okay, what the only recreation you do is to go to the river. Wakiga otembe kidogo. Okirania migunda yothe nginya ke?
Nginya gurumo.
Yes. Wakinya kuria gurumo ineri. You know you are free, everything is silent around there. Yes. We ona hii wina eta wote kinya mweke kia mundu oinaga ya kuringa nyoni.
Kigutha.
Yes. Wina kio we weteie kugutha ki?
Nyoni.
Kikiro
we kenie.
Yes. Suddenly, out of the thicket, okay, you are a funny movement. Yes. Okay, you are
havarafario.
Yes. Of course, your curiosity and inquisitive nature of a young boy or girl. Okay, na kumenya what could be?
Ni nini inaendelea?
Yes.
Ama hiyo ni nini?
Yes.
Ukaririkana ule mwe we are hunters and gatherers and a curiosity of the bush.
Yes. Tuanadu aria dudu kwe. Dudu kwe. To your surprise, we are going to mahuti oguo. Wakora your elder brother in a very compromising position with a village lady. Okamya no get a card radi. Gako look the other way.
Oria muge mareriruo mareka.
Yes. Where oria wona ukabata ihe. At that point you are not at the negotiating level yet.
Watigae ko sudu. No kahura githaka.
Waithaka.
Maki.
Maki waithaka. Wewe nginya mothe. Maki waithaka. Wa gema. Diroka.
Sudu. Avikuga.
Yes. Wewe gathi ukamohia rugongo. Ukamenya they will present themselves to the ombudsman.
Ukamenya no magugwetha.
Yes. Maisha maku magirira hau. You started living like an ex-officio. Kamaki. Oka. Lokani chautere.
Kwe mundu werire.
Yako gothokira.
Ukwende tumia yakwanirira.
Kankinwa kiige.
Kwe mundu werire.
Nyani ocio ne perisi.
Mia tiga kwanirira.
You know you have to state your case. I know. Nijui.
Ndimuonirie u.
Ira aboke. Okay. Bodio gore thwiti.
Okahakuona.
Okay, the system of the cartel has been onboarded successfully.
Kumburamura affair has just begun.
Yes, because they have the choice of moving away from from the village or paying the price of silencing
the village.
Na matiekoraga.
Na matiegodhamia.
It's your blood brother. Yes. Leo waikarago guori. Ne wa sesaga kona brother yaku. He ndo waikarite wega. Julius. Julius. Haikomi.
Yagwika atia.
Haikomi kana ajuge. Yana weka nuwa keciringi igire. Ndiata igire.
Dire bia.
Ndiata igire haikomi.
Komidira kurutira ko.
Akondo ko ikomita yathi kwira thava. Ora ta mukoye na Paris.
Ubia ndia kuriotie kwanagirira.
Na ni wamenya nginya kuongerera cubi. Na Paris kwaja mama itha ne muunjia. Kena we kinua kigiwe kinua bagi. Okamenya
ugakirio ringi.
The contract is renewed.
Murungura is due.
Yes. Silence ya mweri uyu ri ndure heire munene.
Ni ukuri acia mweri uyu.
Yes.
Kana huwe biringi.
And they would also demand you become their ADCs and security. Niki maki. Ekoro dauro ne maheba nyakaura.
Niki.
Tavio maore. You maora kana ajuge. You go and wage war on behalf of this blackmailer. Wakinya handu kona riu. Mwena wa mwanake ri ni uratuva kimirutire. Uga shift. Uga kora Paris
to the other party.
Yes. Paris. No duda cia thakame kwanyu.
Ine kuro ni baba.
Aya. Kademo kora ndimwire.
Tumia.
Tio tu inya.
Na umirire akenda.
Iyo riu eto multi bet.
Ya miena eri.
Kandrathi kau gakuwa natural death. Gwatana yo nayo ya huruka.
You have been driven out of business.
Yes. Wahura guruhiru wega. Ukerwo ukauge.
Thio kauge. No getwo fu.
Yes.
Thio kauge.
Kumana now, and it was very addictive. If you ran into that kind of windfall coincidentally, you would make it your trade.
DCI.
You would become a professional blackmailer.
Hovering around the hideout.
Like a ghost. In the thicket, you would scale the forest.
Hoping you'll call another couple.
Yes. Come on, how? You can come on, it will get very compromising so that you record with your eyes. Hiya, makajo. No, que dar a
Magwethe.
Me okay.
Ne wahudu.
If you would get at least 2 a year.
Wewe huna mwaka mugima.
Kandrathi igire mwaka. Supply ya mithwiti na milioni.
Na gude.
Yes. And the defense. Security. Yes.
And favors here and there.
Yes.
No amatahithagia nginya mai ruwi.
Yes.
If they have no monetary offering.
Yeah, they would meho the physical.
Yes.
Mwere na thakame.
Ndio na maji ulia nduramu.
Akaboti ko ndaithia no ngumuga.
No, you would force them into labor.
No, No, especially if their family had a reputation to keep. The bigger the reputation, the more the contract.
More expensive.
Yes. If the parents involved were either teachers, preachers, or local administration, no amanya enone case ya hegi. It's a small case, small claim.
Unachira wa hegi.
Yes. Aikaro hore ti oro wetele yirie kamenya riu kasini yaku nyere ndithie mbuku ciake ukamwira aha aisaro mwena uyu
ni ukubanga
sasa kama
wewe.
Yes.
Iwe zako cionaga we no mbura ũtio thiagwo kagũrania mandathi na thwiti
makarigwo kai wandĩkirwo gwa turathi
kabina mũgĩko wa kanjũrĩhagia.
Yes.
Kumbe
you are part of the sin cover up scheme. Oh, let me tell you. Well, ya kwaja ginya no amenya hideout. You would map out.
No amenyaga no.
Hali Muna gikiri. Rungu rwa darasa. How?
That area.
Gutire muri muona mundu weke. Wayo kugite. Ukaria muri. Wetara cinema ingie.
Na no amenya thikũ iria mũstiraikire kwanja Sunday.
Yes. You are likely to run into a clandestine. Nitamwona. Nitamwona. Wakati saike no urite.
Vai ya na 52.